Good afternoon, this is Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake. By the way, we're wearing the same exact clothes.
Yeah, you want to take this?
Yes, I do want to see. Ta-da! We're very much twinsies today.
We're matching.
And just so everyone knows, he's not my son. Now, let's move on, shall we? 2020 convertible Ford Mustang with the performance pack. That was a $6,000 option in 2020. A lot of cars really didn't get out there because it was 2020, but the gentleman who bought this ordered it, wanted to make it a Shelby, never got around to it. Instead, he traded this car in for a Shelby. Why not? It's a beautiful car, 10-speed automatic, black interior, rapid red. Don't see this red that often. He definitely ordered this car. It's got pretty much every conceivable option. We still have the guards in the actual bag. Floor mats that have barely been used. This car has got under 3,000 miles. That's something. He never really drove it. But today, we're gonna drive it, aren't we, Jake?
Yes, we are.
But first things first, take a look at this interior. It's glorious. It's got seat coolers and heaters. I love seat coolers and heaters, Jake. They're my most favorite things. 460 horsepower, 5-liter Coyote. This is quite a car. Quite a car. Let's go for a drive, eh, Jake?
Sounds good.
Let's do it.
Pull the e-brake. And then
Oh, it's here.
the top.
Oh, I love it.
And before you go all the way down, flip this latch and twist it. Go the rest of the way.
So just like the...
Yep. Twist it the other way. And then flip it up, and there you go.
Everything's down in the back. Oh.
We got our seat coolers on.
Oh, wow.
Snow and wet mode. Normal mode, track mode, drag mode, Sport Plus.
Sport Plus.
We'll do Sport Plus.
And where is our air conditioner? Oh, it works perfectly. We're in gear. Let us go. Let's enjoy the top up. We like to drive the convertible to top up because we like to make sure everything is working swimmingly. And it is in this case. Also, if you guys like our videos, hit like and subscribe. Very easy to do. It's the YouTubes.
Here we go. 2020 Mustang GT with the performance pack. Oh, it's performance-y.
Well, when you put it in sport mode, you have a whole different exhaust note, and it is tremendous. Oh, wow.
And I love these billet buttons for your modes, your steering and everything. Again, feels like a fighter pilot in here.
Look how much lower I've made myself.
Ooh, a lot of seat adjustment. Great AC, easy to use HVAC controls.
Well, this car it's new.
Yeah, I mean, how many miles?
2,703.
So basically none.
It's got everything. I mean,
look at all the steering wheel buttons. You can control everything you want without taking your hands off the wheel. And tilt column, of course, because it's a newer car. Other side, remember?
yep.
There you go. Tilt column,
Look at this.
up and down.
And telescopic.
Oh my goodness. Big people, small people, doesn't matter. You'll fit.
Yes, it's very, very good.
You do have back seats.
And this is rich leather. Beautiful leather.
Might fit a child back there, but not much more than that.
A
Be
very
honest.
short person.
Also,
maybe our good friend Chris.
55 whole years.
How
Look
about
at
that? How about that? I like the rapid red. You don't see it that often.
Yeah, this color's pretty sweet. Oh yeah. I mean, this car's just got every option on it.
I guess, I mean, I like the manual. I really do, but
This 10-speed's actually, it's snappy and it's really fun. And you get good gas mileage too.
19.5 on our current drive. That's not bad.
No, that's not bad at all.
Big V8 with 400 plus horse. That's a lot of horsies. I mean, you know, sports cars, they beat you up, they say. Not anymore. They've kind of got it refined. You know, the suspension will get stiffer when you activate the modes, but it's just a nice cruising car.
Again, your buttons for your modes, steering modes as well, traction control, all your HVAC are real buttons, very easy to use, and a really responsive touchscreen for your radio and everything.
You've got to love a responsive touchscreen. You know what time it is.
Good old-fashioned startup.
You're darn right.
Yeah.
Say wow. here and drive this bad boy.
Sounds good.